Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Mohamad Hazieq Afnan and my matrix number is 2022-937-729. So today I'll be telling on why do we need the smart water plant. So first of all, what is smart water plant system? So smart water plant system is our final mini project for ITT569. So the smart water plant is a system that we built based on Arduino IDE and then the basic modules. Okay, so back to the question, why do we need the smart water plant system? So first and foremost, the most important one, this can be a benchmark for future projects. So future projects, I mean anything ranging from farming ecosystem to agriculture to anything that requires uh, Internet of Things development and automation for plants in the future. So secondly, saves times for user. So this will save time for the user because the user won't have to manually water the plants. They just need to refill. And even so, they have the buzzer, so they will know when to refill. So thirdly, detects changes in the water level. So this is very important because as we all know, plants need water to survive, and this system will autofill the plants with water. But where does the water come from? The water will come from any source of water, and we need to detect the changes in the water level so that we can refill the water, and then the plants will have an automate water filling system. So that's all from me. I will pass to Akram for hardware and software explanation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akram bin Muhammad Nawawi, 2022961875. So for hardware and software, there are 13 hardware that we use and 3 software that we use in this project. For hardware, first is ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. It is a SoC microchip mainly used for the development of endpoint Internet of Things applications. Second, RGB LED, it's sensing representations and displaying images in the electronic system. Third, solderless breadboard. It provides a working space where temporary circuits can easily be built. Fourth, jumper wire. It simply wires that have connector pins at each end, allowing them to be used to connect 2 points to each other without soldering. Fifth, water pump used to create water pressure. Six, soil moisture sensor used to detect the moisture of the soil. 7, water level sensor. It will detect the level of water in some kind of container. 8, buzzer. It will emit a sound as a warning sign. 9, tube used to channel for the water to channel place. 10, relay module is mainly to switch electrical devices and systems on or off. 11, 9-volt battery used as the power supply. 12, micro USB cable used for connecting different electronic devices. Lastly, wire. And for software, we use Arduino IDE. It is used for writing code, compiling the code to check if any errors are there, and uploading the code to the Arduino. Next, C language is the language we use for the coding. Last but not least, Blink IoT is a software that controls tiny circuits hardware, collect data from sensors, create custom visual dashboards, and automatically save data in the Blink cloud.
Assalamualaikum Madam. My name is Mohamad Azri Arif bin Yusof. I will demonstrate 2 scenarios. The first with the integration of Wi-Fi and the second with the integration of Wi-Fi. To power up the module, I will connect the micro USB cables with the power bank. Since the soil moisture level is less than 800, the soil moisture sensor detects the level of moisture and immediately activates the relay module. The water poured automatically and stopped when the level of moisture exceeded 800. The buzzer goes off and I pour the water to ensure that there is always water available. When the water level on the water level sensor passes 300, the buzzer goes silent. I open the Blink IoT application. I press the button and the water begins to flow. There is a reading level where it is a soil moisture level. When it reaches 50, I depress the button to stop the water pouring. Press the button a few more times and it does function as expected. The buzzer goes off and I pour the water to ensure that there is always water available. When the water level on the water level sensor passes 300, the buzzer goes silent.